Zainab's lab. Today we're going to do another fun project, which is part 2 of my robot car. In part 1 of the robot car project, I built the robot car connecting the DC motors to the L bridge and the microbit controller. I made the robot car move in a straight line. But just going in a straight line, that does not make it a robot car. We need to make it an intelligent machine so it can turn right or left like a real car. So, how are we going to make our robot cars turn right or left? It's a little bit of maths and a little bit of fun. We need the help of a concept called differential speed, which can help our robot car move right or left. Suppose if we want to make our robot car turn right, we have to slow these two DC motors slow and these two DC motors fast, so our robot car turns right. This is the MakeCode for microbit controller. On start, I set the ENA to pin 0 and the ENB to pin 1. I also set the drive PWM to 780 and turn PWM to 750. After every turn, the robot car will have a break, will have a pause. The speed for both right and left turn is minimum 0 and maximum 1023.